What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the blue and red filter on TikTok. Okay, the first step to get this filter is to go to this camera, and you do that by tapping the plus icon at the bottom in the center. Then you're in the TikTok camera. Now you want to tap on effects there at the bottom left hand corner, and then you want to search underneath the trending filter. So here it says trending. If I tap on the third one in the first row, that is the blue and red filter. Now it's going to change to red if you blink, and then back to blue if you blink again. So if I blink, it now changed to red, and I can blink again, it will go to blue, and you can keep on doing that and create a TikTok video with the blue and red filter. Now, if you're not finding the filter from within this effects tab over here, you can go back. Then you want to tap on the discover tab, which is right over here. And then you want to search in the search bar. I think if you just start typing blue, it's going to say blue and red filter. Then you want to tap on the search result there. And then it might say effects with a little effects icon at the top. But if you don't see that button, tap on a few of the videos and you'll find, if you tap on one of them, that it says above the person's username, it says blue and red filter. You can tap on that effects button, and this video just shows an example of someone using the filter. So if I tap right over here, it's going to take me to the filter page. From here you can add it to your favorites so you can quickly get access to it later. You can browse all the videos using the filter, and then when you're ready to record, hit the record button there at the bottom. It will just take a moment to be applied, and then every single time you blink, you can change the color, and then you just have to record your video. So record anything you want using the filter. When you're done, tap the tick mark at the bottom right, and then you can add your sounds, add your effects, add your text, anything that you would like to do, and then tap on next, and then just post your TikTok video. So that is how you get the blue and red filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.